Dahil mahal ka ng magulang mo, dahil lang doon magtiwala ka na sa kanyang ipapayo. Ang matalinong anak, pinapasaya niya ang kanyang magulang. How much is this a part of a son's or a daughter's daily objective? Why do you want to make your father happy? Because a happy father is a better husband to your mother. A happy mother is a better wife to your father. And a happy couple will lead the family into greater happiness. Meron tayong ministry sa isa't isa. Hindi lang tungkulin ng magulang na pasayahin ang anak. Tungkulin din ng anak na pasayahin ang magulang. And when everybody is happy or happier, we create a home that we long to go back to all the time. Dapat ang body language ng anak, sinasabi sa magulang, pwede nyo pa akong pagalitan pag mali ako. Pwede nyo akong paluin, iba't ibang degree, depende sa edad.